Hey folks, welcome to Austin EV Only, located in Austin, Texas. Today we're going to talk about camber correction kits. This is what helps prevent the inner tire wear. When the camber is too far in, we get a lot of wear on the inner tires, and so this camber correction kit helps to pull the tires back straight and true so we don't experience that wear. The number one vehicle we see the most wear on is probably the 2016 through the 2020 Tesla Model X. Second to that would be the 2021 on up Model X. And third to that would probably be the Tesla Model S 2021 and up. I've actually never done a camber correction kit on a 2012 through 2020 Tesla Model S. Just hasn't come through my door yet. So the way I got exposed to these camber correction kits is a very first customer came to me and said, hey, I bought this kit online, will you install it for me? And I had never done it before, but I said, sure. Couldn't be too much different than some work that we've already done. And that has happened with multiple different brands where a customer has purchased the part, brought it to me, and asked if I would install it. So I've got exposure now to 3 different camber correction kits. And I gotta say, after that exposure, there's only one that I buy for my customers when they come to me and say, hey, I wanna do this, what part do you recommend? And I purchase the part and I install the part. By the end of this video, it'll become very apparent which brand I favor. And so let's talk about the 3 brands we're gonna go through today. We're going to talk about the N2itive camber correction kit. We're going to talk about Unplugged Performance and their version of the camber correction kit. And then finally, we're going to talk about HardRace and their version of the camber correction kit. Stick around and we'll go through that review coming up. All right, let's do a quick unboxing here and check these out. So we can pull these out. Okay, there's one. Nice and shiny. All right. And then there's another. All right, these look pretty good. Can't tell if they're made out of steel or aluminum. They feel pretty light for what they are, so I'm wondering if it's aluminum. But it's hard to tell. The front ends, this right here, is iron or steel, because this part is heavy, but the middle part seems pretty light. The Unplugged Performance has 2 set screws here, which can be a little frustrating. It'd be nicer if they just had one solid, reliable set screw. Dealing with the 2 and alternating back and forth between them can be a little time consuming and a little frustrating. One of the things I like is that the adjusters are on the bottom here. That'll make it easy to access for my alignment tech. All right, let's get them installed. And then we need to talk about adjusting the Unplugged Performance camber arms. Unfortunately, the Unplugged Performance requires a special tool that you see here. And if we look at the collar on the Unplugged Performance, you'll notice that there's all these holes around the edge of the collar here. Now, to adjust the collar, you need a special pinhole adjuster here. And guess what? It's got to be a very specific size, a very specific depth, and a very specific arc here. Can you find it at Home Depot? No. Can you find it at Lowe's? No. Can you find it at Harbor Freight? No. Can you find it at Northern Tool? No. Can you find it at Grainger? Yes, but it's on back order and it'll take 3 to 5 days to get it. So you have to order this part on Amazon. Because of the need for this tool, I cannot recommend the Unplugged Performance. They should include this part in the box. I can't express how upset, how pissed I am that they left me in the lurch. There's no instructions online. There's nothing to say that you need this tool. And so I show up, customer had driven all the way from Dallas to Austin, is waiting for me to finish the car same day, and I can't find the tool. I'm driving all over town. I'm spending hours of my time, my billable hours, wasted away trying to find this tool. Guess what? The best place to get it is on Amazon. I'm actually not going to share with you folks the details on this tool because I don't want to help Unplugged Performance in any way. I am that mad at them that I am that petty. So, you're going to need a tool, you're going to need to figure out the tool, and they don't say anything about it in the online because there's no instructions, and when you call them, they're like, go fish. Oh, here's the tool you need, go figure out how to get it yourself. And the answer is Amazon. So good luck to you folks. Don't buy Unplugged Performance. Okay, so the next camber correction kit I'm going to go through is called HardRace. We should probably call it hard to install because there's nothing easy about it. I don't have anything good to say about it, but here's what I do have to say. First, there are no installation instructions online. So if this is your first time trying to install the HardRace camber correction kit, good luck to you. There's no instructions to be found on their website or any other place with their camber correction kit. The second thing I have to say about them is the customer support is lacking. I have emailed them for various things and never once have I gotten a response. Actually, that's not true. I got a response one time when I asked about pricing and they said, we don't provide pricing. So that's pretty frustrating. If you were a high volume seller, I don't want to have to send out a request for quote each and every time I want to get a part. I just want to quickly find out what part it is and go from there. I saw that just today I looked and they finally changed their policy and quoted parts online, but I was just really frustrated and it left a bad taste in my mouth, and I'm just not going to go back there after they said, we don't provide pricing, please submit a request for quote. And finally, the pictures of this part on their website show it installed incorrectly. It shows the camber arms installed backwards, and I can't really have a lot of faith in a company that can't even provide photos of their part correctly installed. Like, no instructions online. Really, the only thing you have to go on are these pictures they have of their part to be installed as a marketing tool. They're just trying to sell it, right? But the pictures are bad. The pictures are wrong. It shows the part installed backwards. I can't get behind a company that can't even provide some good photos of their parts. So with all that said, do not buy HardRace. Anything. I'm not just talking about camber correction kits. I'm talking all parts. The experience is horrible. Customer support is not there, non-existent, and the parts are not good quality as far as I can tell. And you don't have all the tools you need right out of the box to install it. So you're going to waste just hours and hours of your time trying to figure out what is the tool and then trying to figure out how to get it and then waiting for it to show up. It's just not worth it. I would rather spend more money and have a seamless process and have the support when it's there and have the warranty behind it versus not. So this is the N2itive camber correction kit. The first thing you'll notice right off the bat is the Unplugged Performance came in a nondescript box, whereas the N2itive comes in a labeled box. It's actually really nice and professionally done, and that professionalism translates to the parts themselves. Comes with some goodies here, a sticker, there's a ballpoint pen in here somewhere. But what I really appreciate is that it comes with the specialty adjuster tool. So if we look here at this kit, you'll notice it's got I believe that's a T25, and then it's got this 30 millimeter adjuster here. And thankfully, N2itive thought ahead. They said, hey, that's not a part that you can easily find. I actually looked for these tools when I had to adjust another part, and again, looked at Home Depot, looked at Lowe's, looked at Harbor Freight, looked at Northern Equipment, looked at Grainger. Could not find these readily available off the shelf. You've got to special order them. So you can get them on Amazon if you need it, but thankfully, N2itive has thought ahead and included it in the pack. And so from an installer's perspective, I appreciate when a hard-to-find tool is included in the kit. And so we see this tool here fits on perfectly, ready to go, and very professionally done. So I highly recommend the N2itive. They don't stop at designing the first time. They've actually gone through several iterations to improve upon this design. One are the bushings. These bushings don't need to be preloaded, whereas in the other brands, Unplugged Performance specifically, you've got to preload the suspension before clamping down the bushing. So there's something, probably patent pending that N2itive has done to allow us to adjust the bushings on the fly without preloading the suspension. So I appreciate the attention to detail. I appreciate the continuous improvement that they have gone through, iterating on each version, taking feedback from folks like myself and making it better and better. Lowering links, look at those beauties. That's cool that they're all identical. Pre-greased, ready to go. So I think it's pretty obvious in the final analysis which part was my favorite. I've got to say, it all came down to quality and customer service. Really, it's all about the specialized tool needed to adjust the camber correction arm. Every camber correction arm has its own specialty tool. There's no standard across the industry. And if it's going to be such a specialty tool that you can't find it at any local hardware store, you better put it in the bloody box. I can't believe how much time was wasted, and nobody wants to deal with that. There's no mention of the need for a specialty tool online in any of the instructions, if they even exist. So there was no way to anticipate that you would need a specialty tool that you'd have to pre-order. So until the part showed up and I could take measurements and figure out what was needed, that's really the first indication I had that a specialty tool was needed. And at that point, now I'm waiting around a couple days just for this stupid tool, and that is a deal breaker in every situation for me. So yeah, if it was up to me, I would say go with N2itive. They have not only great quality parts, but great instructions, great customer service, and they include the necessary tool to adjust their part right in the box. If you got something out of this, would you please hit that like button, or better still, hit that subscribe button. That's how we make more videos. Until next time, this is Austin EV Only.